In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Analytics 4. This process is not only straightforward but essential for anyone looking to understand and leverage website data effectively. Whether you're running a personal blog or managing the online presence of a large organization, Google Analytics offers invaluable insights that can help you navigate the digital landscape smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up a web browser of your choice. Navigate to the Google Analytics homepage by typing in the URL marketingplatform.google.com about/analytics. This will take you to the main analytics tools and solutions page for businesses provided by Google. This platform is pivotal for monitoring your website traffic and understanding user behavior, so it's great you're taking this step. Once you're on the page, look for the option to sign in to Analytics. You'll see this prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. If you don't have an account yet, this is when you would normally create one. However, assuming you already do, you'll simply need to sign in using your Google account credentials. This login step is crucial for accessing the dashboard that will display all your website's data collated by Google Analytics. After signing in, you should automatically be directed to the Google Analytics home. This is essentially the hub of all your data insights. If, however, you find yourself elsewhere, simply click on Google Analytics Home. This takes you to the main dashboard where you can start delving into the various reports and metrics available. Next, let's head to the settings. On most interfaces, you'll find the settings option on the bottom left or within a menu icon, often represented by a gear symbol. Clicking on Settings gives you access to customize how you use Google Analytics. This can be especially helpful when it comes to tailoring reports to suit your specific needs. Now, we're going to explore creating new properties. Properties in Google Analytics are essentially profiles of different sites or apps you wish to track. Click on Create, which will lead you to a new window where you'll set up a new property for your website or app. This step is vital for starting to track any new data segments you wish to analyze. Finally, you need to click on Property from the admin dashboard. This is where you can manage different assets like how data is collected and how it's shown to you. Navigating properties will become second nature as you continue using Google Analytics and getting familiar with its interface. That's it, you've now successfully accessed and set up your Google Analytics 4 account. Regularly visiting it will ensure you make data-driven decisions based on real insights. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get started on your data analytics journey. Feel free to explore more options and details within the Analytics dashboard to take full advantage of its robust tools. Happy analyzing!